Alright, so arithmetic operators used in Java. We have the multiplication and division operator. The multiplication operator is asterisk, that's shift 8 on your keyboard, and then the division operator /. Okay, now let's look at an example on how to use operators in Java, and I'm going to use input from the user. I'm going to enter two numbers, I'm going to multiply them, and enter two numbers, I'm going to divide those two numbers. In this case, maybe. Alright, so yeah, so we'll bring up another part. I'm going to create another okay, so let's go on public class, collect them arithmetic2. Okay, don't know how to list it, I'm just lazy to type. Okay, arithmetic2. Okay, remember public static, all lowercase, public static void main, all lowercase, string uppercase, string arg. Okay, remember this could be any name, and I'll also explain how to use it also in our first video. Alright, okay, so let's save this as arithmetic operator 2.java. Please don't forget that. Okay, yeah, so to get the input from the user, we need to import a class called scanner class. Import java.util.scanner. Don't tell me this is going to, wow. I would have been surprised if Notepad would give me the scanner class. Okay, because that's Java API. Alright, so again, I still will be talking more about Java API documentation and how to use it. Okay, for the meantime, let's just stick with some of these classes I have shown you, like the scanner class, like the string class, the system class, and also the random class. Okay, for now, let's just stick with those ones. So proceed, I'm going to show you how to use the Java API. Okay, so this scanner class is what really helps us take in input from the user. Okay, now let me show you how to use it. Here we go like scanner input. The input is equal to new scanner. Okay, now it's able to pick it because I've typed that word before. Okay, so you go system.in. That's all. Okay, that's all. With this line, you can receive input from the user. Now, again, I told you I'm still going to come back hopefully as we go on in this course. Yeah, I guarantee you that we're going to look at all this. Okay, just don't worry, just follow along. Still in. Alright, so now if I do to receive input from the user, now if you want to receive an integer input, you go like int figure 1 is equal to input dot next int. Remember okay, remember I told you about Java. There's a particular way in which you reference Java classes and methods. I'm just going to explain all this for you, so just be patient, okay? Because this scanner, you know something, is uppercase S, okay? Scanner, these are lower cases, okay? It is not like I can see if I'm trying to form that out. That's the default standard, okay? If you look at this is lowercase, this is uppercase. It's very important. Java is case sensitive, highly case sensitive, okay? Don't play with these cases. Now, so we have next int. Next int means get the input from the user. Okay, alright. Yeah, I'm going to go like system.out line figure 1, whatever you have entered. You've entered figure 1. Whatever you've entered, just print it out again, okay? Okay, we're going to come back and really make some little adjustment. Let's see how the output is on our console. So let's make this out. Remember, we're dealing with operator 2 now. So we go Java there, then we execute. There we go. Okay, now you see the cursor blinking, expecting to enter a value. I enter 120, so I'm going to press enter. It gives me again 120. So this is the input, this is the output. Okay, I think it's nice if we could give you some descriptive text saying hey, enter value for figure 1. So here, just before the statement, do system dot out dot print, okay, here saying like enter value for figure 1. Okay, to space there. Okay, then here I'll say put this down. Say the value is that. Okay, so we like Java. Okay, hold on. See that? Enter value for figure 1. So I'm going to enter 120 or 20. Okay, the value is 220. Okay, now what about if it were a string? If I was taking a string, okay, I'll come back to use this. Okay, I'm just going to comment this out. I'm going to come back to use it. Do this out also. So I'm saying name, string name is equal to copy this from here. There. So I'm going to next int. I'm going to go like next line. Alright. So here I will use this and say enter your name. Okay, next line. Then here I'm going to print tutorial is just lazy to type today. I'm just going to be copying and pasting. Alright, so I'll go like your name is name copy again, I'm pasting again tutorial. Alright, so now, so looking at this now, let me explain this quickly. This is the line that creates the object for us to be able to accept input from the user. Okay, input